Mr. Johnson, I received your question about 3.3.29. I guess this is Chapter 3, Section 3. It corresponds to 29 in the book. I guess it's number 10 in the homework. Your question's about this part here. I just snapped a picture of my screen. Parts of it doesn't look too good, but I tried to get in here the part where your question was about. And you're wondering why is that true, and you had marked it false. With an if-then, you correctly identify an if-then. If you got P, if P, then Q, you correctly identify. The only way it can be false is if P is true and Q is false. If that's the case, then the final statement is false. Otherwise, it's always true, and you seem to recognize that in your message to me. And so what we have here was we have not P, then Q. Well, it appears P here is true, and not P is false, and so you correctly recognize that, and so we have false here, and then if we look at Q, it's true, and so Q is true. Excuse me, let's put a true here, and so we have a false here and a true here. And we have the if-then, then with an if-then, when you have false and true, then the whole thing is considered true. The only way you can get a false with an if-then is up here if the antecedent is true and the consequent is false. Well, in the example you're looking at, the antecedent is false and the consequent is true. And so the whole thing is true. And you seem to ask a little bit about this next one. I mean, again, the antecedent is false, and so that immediately means, the thing's going to be true. The only way we can get false out of it is if we have true and then false. I hope this helps.